What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. Only one story today, and it is about the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Pro. It comes from a tweet from Ice Universe, who is a leaker, and he said the following. In the second half of the year, there will be no better screen than the Note 10, which is not a huge surprise given the fact that the Note line of phones usually has the best or one of the best ranked cell phone screens of any smartphone every single year. Now, Apple also gives it good competition as well, especially this past year with their phones, especially because they're using Samsung displays on there. Sometimes use LG, but overall, Samsung usually always comes up on top or number 2 at the very least. So again, not a huge surprise, and obviously it hasn't even been ranked yet, but Ice Universe usually releases good information about phones that are going to come out in the future or the near future at that. And this coming out with the best display. It might not have a 90 hertz display as some other phones, but a 90 hertz display doesn't overall mean the quality. He's talking about the quality of the display is going to be the best on the Galaxy Note 10 line of phones, which is great to hear, because what do you look at the most on your phone? You look at the display, and the display is one of the most important things to have on a phone if you definitely want a beautiful display. And remember, the launch of the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, I keep calling the Note 10 Plus the Pro, so I know I've done that in this video, but regardless, the Note 10 Plus and Note 10 Pro are the same exact thing, but they will be calling it the Note 10 Plus. Will be unveiled August 7th, New York City, Brooklyn, New York, Barclays Center, at, I think it was like 4 p.m. Eastern. I will be at the event. And anyways, yeah, but let me know what you think is gonna be the most important feature on the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Pro. Like, what's the thing that really makes you buy the phone? Is it the display? Is it the camera? Is it the speed of the phone? Is it the quality of the overall feeling of the phone? Let me know in the comments down below what's literally like the most important day-to-day feature for you. For me, I probably would say the display. Why not? I use it, I look at it all the time, so I'd probably say the display. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace!